Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely beautiful Yamaha RD250LC. Here we have a Yamaha RD250LC. This is a 1982 bike on an X plate with 36,869 miles. This bike is in good condition, although not immaculate, but it is a perfect start for a light, and I say very light, restoration project. The exhausts are the original item. Not many of these around with those original exhausts on. Comes in the classic white and two-tone blue paint scheme. I think it looks absolutely superb, this bike. The rear indicator has a very light scuff on. The rear tyre's got loads of life in it. It looks like a very nearly new one. The rear wheel's in great condition. Certainly great condition for year of mileage. If you are looking to do a light restoration on one of these, this is a great starting point. You can see a little bit of paint off the engine case there. Runs absolutely superbly. We can't start it up because there is a storm blowing a gale outside, and I'm definitely not going to start a two-stroke inside the showroom. If you want to hear it running, do get in touch. We will fire it up for you, but I can assure you it runs absolutely sweet. Again, light greys to the right-hand indicator, but that's more from storage. It doesn't look like this bike's been over at all. There's nothing on the mirrors, nothing on the bar ends. All the levers, all the paintwork's in excellent order, actually, to be fair. And the front forks are in really good condition. Loads of life in the front tyre. The front wheel, that's in good condition as well. I mean, if you are going to put this back to mint condition, you might want to get a little bit of work done on those, but it doesn't require a lot. And if you are going to do a light restoration on this, these things are currently better than Bitcoin as an investment. They really are skyrocketing in value. There's no tears or rips in the seat, although there are a few light marks, as you would expect. I mean, the nice thing about this bike, having done a little bit of mileage, is you can actually use it. And if you've got one of these with, a couple of thousand miles on, you're never going to ride it because you'll be scared of devaluing it. But this one with a little bit of mileage on, at least you can use it. All the engine on this side, good condition, a little bit of paint off there. But other than that, it's absolutely superb. Don't be put off by the elastic band around the side stand. That's to stop us using it, because it's got what we used to call a suicide stand on Ducati. So if you stand it up, it flicks up. But the elastic band's there so we don't use it, so we can't get tempted to put it on its side stand and then it fall over. So that would be a real shame. There you go, the underside actually really good. There's no corrosion on the bike anywhere. It's actually in really good condition in that regard. As I said, if you're looking for a very light project, this is spot on. It's the right colour, it's the right model, it's in good condition. It sounds absolutely lovely. As I said, if you do want to hear it, do get in touch with us and we'll fire it up for you. But if you're looking for a collectible classic, then this is very much the bike for you. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our collectible classics come prepared to MOT standard, and we are delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful RD250LC, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.